Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today we're going to be working on this 2023 Toyota 4Runner, under 300 miles on the clock. We're going to be doing a preservation detail on it, adding some ceramic coating, help preserve the paint for a longer life. And yeah, guys, so just stay tuned for the results. So we just finished the decontamination process on the truck, brought the truck into the shop. We'll be doing the ceramic coating application next. Enjoy the process, guys.